Hello, 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 and welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl, Luan, coming at you with another video. And in this video, I don't know, but I believe we're going to start seeing an intake of customers looking for children's clothing. And I'm not sure if it's because of what happened with Kidizen. By Kidizen closing, I believe a lot of my customers that know I sell on other platforms have been coming to my platforms. This is just one of the sales that I have generated. I will let you know in the coming month. I'm going to give it 30 days and see what happens. But I believe this is the beginning of an uptake in people looking for children's clothing on other platforms, and they might be coming from Kidizen because Kidizen closed. Alright, let me know in the comments if you sold on Kidizen and you sell on all, multiple platforms, and you're seeing an uptake of more people buying children's clothing here lately from your other platforms. Alright, so let's get into the video. So I had I had a customer buy 2 bundles. Now, what I mean by that is I had children's girls' leggings and I bundled them. Okay, so my notes are around here somewhere. Okay, so here we go. So it was the I had Carter's and children's leggings size 5T bundled together, and I had those listed for $10. And then I had Minnie Mouse and Old Navy. It was only 2 in that bundle together, and that was $10. I had bundled Minnie Mouse because I feel as though the value is a little bit higher, so I only put 2 in there. The other ones was like Carter's and Children's Place, and it was 5 in this bundle. So altogether, the person that ordered from me, she has 7 pairs of leggings, all the same size. Okay, so she sent me an offer for $15. I accepted, of course, because the 2 bundles together was $20, and I was like, okay, $5, I can do that. All of these items were given to me for free. For free, y'all. I had a young lady who had a daughter, and the daughter outgrew these leggings. She knew what I did. She gave me a call. I took the items and I put them in bundles. So after everything is said and done, I made $12 off of 7 pairs of leggings. I'll take it all day. Okay? So we're just going to wrap these up real cute. These little cute items. I have some pink tissue paper. And by it only being like the first week of November, I still have some of the Halloween stickers that I'm going to send as a thank you. Alright? So let's get these bundled. So Kidizen was, I like Kidizen because that's mostly where I put my high-end brands on to Kidizen, like maybe Mini Golden and a couple of other high-end brands. Patagonia, what else I used to put on there? Uggs, the kids' Ugg boots and stuff like that I used to put on there. So anyway, those high-end items I used to put, those high-end kids' items I used to put on there because that's what the majority of the people were looking for on Kidizen. They were looking for items that were brand name, high end, at a good, reasonable price. So I would put all my luxury items on there for children. But now that they have closed, it's like people are scrambling, they're trying to find those kind of items, and they're looking on other platforms. So my advice, whether you take it or not, but if you used to sell children's clothing, you need to start putting them on your other platforms if you have any, because that's what I did, and that's how this sold. So I believe you have until November the 7th to cash out. Don't quote me on that. I'm going to put the email that I received right here so that you can see. But I believe it is November the 7th that you have to cash out if you had made any sales on the platform. Because I believe after that, that's when they're going to close by 11:59, I believe. But I am sorry to see Kidizen go. I really liked the platform. I met a lot of people on the platform, and I got started on the platform because of these two were right here, Ginger Marvin. So Chris and Kathy Marvin. Kathy had did an extensive video about Kidizen, and it just made me want to go over there because I love to sell children's clothes. I am a everything seller. So children's, men's, women's, electronics, toys, anything that I really can get my hands on and I know it's going to sell, I will try to sell it. So with that being said, I am very sorry that Kidizen has decided that they had to close, But, hey, there are always other platforms out there that you can sell children's clothes on. I also sell children's clothing on Vinted. I don't have ridiculous prices on Vinted. Excuse me. The average sales price for me on Vinted is from $1 to $5. So, if you would like, I will leave my code right here for Vinted, and you can go over there and, try to sell some of your children's clothing there as well. Alright, enough of the advertisement. Yeah, I'll promote my closet, and I will leave, like I said, my code right here. So anyway, I got this all packaged up. So this is 7 pairs of leggings. Let's put this on here. Our little sticker. And where's the sticker? What are they? Where are they? Oh, here they go. We're going to add some of these to the package. I hope they like these. So we have Scarecrow. I'm not going to put in too much too scary. We have it. Jack-o'-lantern. This is a Scarecrow, Witch, and Jack-o'-lantern. Okay. We have a ghost. Oh yeah. And Bart Simpson. I'm going to put Bart Simpson in there too. Okay, so like 4. I could have done this earlier, but like I said, listen. October was a crazy month with Poshmark changing their fees, and I don't know what was going on with eBay. I had no sales for like 2 weeks. So, it is what it is. October is over. We're now in November. Yay. Okay. So as you know, my bags that I use, the SKU number, I'm going to reuse. So I put them down here in a little box. So I got 2 more that I can use. Okay. So today we are going to put it in our Polymer pink elephants because they never forget. And the label. So I have printed out my label. It is priority mail because you know that you can ship Poshmark orders in any kind of material because they usually ship priority mail. But I recently found out that electronics cannot be sent priority mail. They have to be sent ground advantage. And I will click that video right here of me explaining why. Okay? Alright. Let's get this mailed out. Put this on here like that. So that's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please, y'all know what to do. Give me the thumbs up. Subscribe. And what? Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to thank you and have a blessed day. Look at this. Look, just did I put the sticker on? Okay, goodbye, y'all.